Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nehal Yadav, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am from Basic Science Department from Artificial Intelligence course. My section is Devo. Campus ID is 23AI1961. Course title is Waste Management. Course code is BETCK105F. My today's topic is Solid Waste Management. We are going to discuss about solid waste management. Introduction. Solid waste refers to any non-liquid, non-soluble materials discarded by households, industries, commercial establishments and agriculture operations. So solid waste are all the waste which are solid in state, which are not liquid and not soluble materials. So the effective management of waste is crucial for several reasons. So first one is the environmental protection. So proper waste management prevents pollution of air, soil and water, safeguarding ecosystems and biodiversity. So second is public health. So inadequate waste disposal can lead to the spread of diseases as it provides breeding grounds for pests and disease vectors. So according to our wherever we dispose the waste, so it leads to many diseases such as where it breeding grounds are for pests and diseases vectors. So resource conservation. So recycling and reusing materials reduces the need for raw resources, conserving energy and diminishing environmental impact. So climate change mitigation. So certain waste management practices such as reducing methane emissions from landfills and promoting recycling contribute to combating climate change. So there are different types of solid waste. So solid waste can be categorized into several types based on its origin, composition, and characteristics. So the main types of solid waste include municipal solid waste. So everyday household waste which we generate from our residential areas, including food scraps, packaging, and other items, are municipal solid waste. So industrial waste is a waste which is generated from the industries which contains chemicals, metals, and other hazardous materials. So the waste, so materials that pose which are very threat to human health or the environment due to their flammability, high toxicity, corrosiveness or reactivity. Examples include batteries, electronic waste and certain chemicals. So next is construction and demolition debris. So waste generated from construction renovation where construction in the sense where a work will be going on to construct a building or a hostel or etc., including materials like concrete, wood, metal, and bricks. These are the waste generated in those areas. So electronic waste. So this is the major waste in India, which is very toxic, which includes discarded electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, and appliances, which can contain hazardous materials like lead and mercury. So, biomedical or healthcare waste. So, waste generated in healthcare facilities, including medical equipment, sharps, and biological waste. Which these are the waste which are generated from the hospitals, which include syringes and some medical equipment. And agriculture waste. So, waste produced from farming activities, including crop residues, animal manure, and pesticide containers. So plastic waste. So these are major contents of the waste where non-biodegradable waste made from various types of plastics contributing significantly to environmental pollution. So these will pollute our environment in a very drastic way. So next waste is the paper and cardboard waste. So discarded paper products, cardboard packaging and other cellulose based materials. So glass waste. So waste generated from glass products such as bottles and containers are called glass waste. So segregation of waste. So waste segregation is the process of separating different types of waste at the source to facilitate recycling and proper disposal. So the key categories for segregation include so biodegradable waste. So example for these are food scraps, kitchen waste, and garden waste. So how can we dispose this? So composting on anaerobic digestion these can be composted to produce nutrient-rich soil. So non-biodegradable waste. So examples plastics, metals, glass, synthetic materials, disposal. So we can dispose of these by recycling or appropriate landfill disposal. So recyclable waste. So examples paper, cardboard, certain plastics, glass, and metals. So these can be disposed by collection for recycling facilities to reprocess and reuse. So hazardous waste. So batteries, electronic waste, certain chemicals. So these can be disposed by specialist facilities or collection programs to ensure safe handling and disposal. So e-waste. So these are examples computers, smartphones, electronic appliances. So these disposals can be done by specialized e-waste recycling facilities to recover valuable materials and reduce environmental impact. So construction and demolition waste. So examples concrete, wood, metal, bricks. So these can be disposed by separate collection and recycling facilities for C&D waste mechanic. So next comes the medical or biohazardous waste. So examples used needles, biomedical waste. So disposal is specialized disposal methods to prevent contamination and protect public health. So glass waste. So example glass bottles, containers, so this can be disposed by collection for recycling to produce new glass products. So plastic waste. So examples, plastic bottles, packaging. So this can be disposed by recycling or proper disposal to minimize environmental impact. So recycling. So in solid waste management, recycling plays a crucial role in diverting materials from landfills. It involves collecting, processing, and transforming used materials into new products, reducing the environmental impact of waste disposal. So effective recycling programs contribute to resource conservation, and a more sustainable waste management approach. In conclusion, effective solid waste management is imperative for a sustainable and a healthier future. So, by embracing responsible practices such as waste segregation, recycling, and proper disposal methods, we can address environmental challenges, protect public health, and conserve valuable resources. So, the importance of community involvement and awareness cannot be overstated, as collective efforts are essential in achieving successful waste management systems. So, in the face of global environmental concerns, waste management emerges as a shared responsibility requiring collaboration between individuals, communities, industries, and governments. So, by recognizing the interconnectedness of our actions and the environment, so we pay the way for a more resilient, resource efficient, and environmentally conscious society. So, we conclude that we need to dispose the waste uh, in a very good correct way where we segregate the waste into three types, so wet waste, dry waste, and sanitary waste, so that it is useful for the so that it's useful for the garbage pickers to pick easily and then to recycle. So today, this is the topic for today. Thank you.